How to upload audio file to your Google Drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload an audio file to your Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your web browser and then search for your drive. So open up your Google Drive. You can head over to drive.google.com. After you do that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. After you do so, you can then head over to your option that is you can simply open up a new folder. You can create a new folder. So let's open up a new folder. Let's say audio. Let's name this audio and open this folder up. So there we go. Now after you open up the folder, you can head over to the file location or folder location where you have your audio file. So let's find that here. So there we go. As you can see, it's an MP3 audio file. All you have to do is, let me just take this like this. You can simply drag this, select it and drag it, and then drop it here. After that, the upload begins, and as you can see, it's been uploaded. And here you can see it's an audio file, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.